Crypto world, Friday, midday. Stock market's up, but I shouldn't even mention that because it's fluctuating so much. In 3 seconds, it could be down. And while this has been a crazy week for all the reasons you know, today we are seeing interest rates spike up. The 10-year is trading above 4.50. It was literally, less than a few weeks ago, it was trading 3.5. The one thing this economy doesn't want is higher interest rates, but that's the one thing they're getting. And the dollar is so weak, it's broke 100, and earlier today it traded closer to 99. And we have the Swiss franc, which is a safe haven currency, spiking up, and Japan's currency is spiking up. The president of the Minneapolis Federal Reserve has put it this way. He says, with rising bond yields, falling dollars, investors are moving on from the United States. Basically, non-American investors are not coming to the United States and are not viewing the dollar as a safe haven in light of all this tariff war. Now let's jump over to crypto. Crypto is green across the board, and the percentages is significant. They're up. Now, part of what's causing this is this extreme drop in the dollar. Now, also, if we look over to derivative market as to what the crypto derivative market is seeing for Bitcoin, it is remarkable to me that for the month of April, while we know there's going to be a lot of volatility because of tariffs, there's relatively a small move being projected by the derivative market. The maximum paying price is never lower than 80 and never higher than 85 for the balance of this month, which for crypto is relatively not violent. Bottom line, crypto is benefiting from the severe sell-off in the US dollar, which, by the way, is only happening because of tariffs, because we see interest rates going up, and normally when rates go up, the dollar gets stronger. So we have to see if this trend continues. And we know there's all this legislation and plan of states and other countries discussing adding Bitcoin to their strategic reserve. Now, we have gold making an all-time high, and will countries diversify and, if you will, for strategic reserve purposes, buy Bitcoin as we've long hoped and called it digital gold? We are about to find out, because the decline in dollar and the complete economic uncertainty in the United States suggests people are going to put things into reserve.